Friends, welcome to the new session. Last class we have discussed the syllabus of artificial intelligence in detail. Okay, so you know artificial intelligence has become a part of our day-to-day life, right? So we need to know different concepts of artificial intelligence in detail. Okay, so let's begin the session by understanding the history of artificial intelligence. Following that, we will understand what is artificial intelligence and what are the different stages and types. And at last we end the session by discussing the domains of branches of artificial intelligence. That is about the introduction part. Okay, so first we can start with the evolution of artificial intelligence. You know, the evolution or history of artificial intelligence goes back to the classical ages. I don't know, you might have heard about Talos or not. That is Talos. It was a giant animated bronze warrior. It was programmed to guard the island of Crete. So at that time too, the concept of man and machine were well thought of. Okay, then in 1950, Alan Turing, in his paper that is Computer, Machinery and Intelligence, he proposed a question, that is, can machine think? Okay, raise a question, that is, can machine think? And this proposal later became Turing test. Okay, Turing test, it's a test to measure the machine intelligence. That is, to test the machine's ability to think as a human. Okay, so the Turing test is today we are using this Turing test like in CAPTCHA, that is it's a completely automated public Turing test to tell computers and humans and computers apart. Okay, so this was a serious proposal. This was one of the serious proposal for artificial intelligence. Okay, that is developed by Alan Turing. And in 1951, it marks the era of game artificial intelligence. That is, many checkers program and chess program were written at that time, and it was the first AI working programs built by the University of Manchester. Later it were rewritten in a better way. Okay, so that was during 1951, and in 1956 it marks the birth of artificial intelligence. That, you know, John McCarthy, he is said to be the father of artificial intelligence. He coined the term artificial intelligence, okay, during 1956. Okay, next is during 1959, first AI laboratory at MIT Lab was established, and the researches on AI began during that period, that is during 1959. Okay, then in 1960, Generic Motors robot, that is first industrial robot, Unimate was introduced into the Generic Motors assembly line, first industrial robot during 1960. And in 1965, ELIZA, that is, it is the first chatterboard in artificial intelligence. It is the first chatterboard to attempt Turing test too. And it passed a restricted Turing test for machine intelligence. Okay, it mimics like a Rogerian psychotherapist. You might have heard about this ELIZA in your natural language processing subject and all that. That is ELIZA. It is the first chatterboard to attempt Turing test. It was the first chatterboard developed for artificial intelligence. Okay. Then in 1997, IBM developed IBM Deep Blue. It is nothing but it is a chess playing computer software system. It's a chess playing computer software. Okay, that is developed, and it defeated Garry Kasparov, that is a world champion at that time. Okay, it was one of the remarkable development by IBM. And during 2005, Stanley is an autonomous car. It's an autonomous car built by the Stanford University, and it won the DARPA Grand Challenge. Okay, Stanley. that is during 2005. And in 2011, you will see Watson. Watson, that is IBM supercomputer Watson, having NLP capabilities. That is, it is a Watson, it is a question answering system developed by IBM, and it defeated two greatest Jeopardy champions at that time. Okay, then another is Siri. Siri is a virtual assistant developed by Apple, and it runs on Apple iOS. Okay, it has the natural language user interface to infer, observe, recommend things to the user. That was developed by Apple. Okay, and in 2014, Google started working on deep learning neural network called AlphaGo, where Go is a board game. Okay, and it also defeated various champions. And along with that, Amazon developed Alexa. Amazon Alexa. It is also as a virtual assistant similar to Siri. Similar to Siri, that is, it is a voice AI. It is capable of voice interactions, music playback, setting alarms and all that. Okay, it has all the voice related features. That is developed by Amazon. Okay, next in 2016, that is Sophia, humanoid robot. It's the first robot citizen. It is the first robot citizen with her ability to see, that is, it can make facial expression and communicate through artificial intelligence. And it resembles, that is, it resembles all the features like as human. So it resembles all the features, that is what a human it is. It can make facial expressions and all that. Okay, so it was the first robot citizen developed by Hanson Robotics. Okay, along with that, Google developed Google Assistant. Google Assistant performs better than Alexa and Siri and all that, because it enables two-way conversations by using natural language processing algorithms and all that. So, and along with that, Google also does Google Duplex. It is just an extension to the Google Assistant. Okay, Google Duplex. It is one of the major technology. It is alive in almost in majority of US and all that. It is not in India. That is the user can make that is reserve the restaurant booking. That is where the user will be contacting the particular, that is, restaurant employee. But here Google Assistant, that is Google Duplex, with the help of Google Assistant, speaks for the user. Okay, Google Assistant speaks for the user. So in order, that is we can make any appointments. Okay, that is it is just what it is. It enables, it sounds natural. That is, it's a technology to develop, that is, to communicate in a natural way. That is the main aim. Okay, we can book many appointments. Okay, that is one of the major technology developed by Google Duplex. Google Duplex. Then in 2018, Google developed BERT, that is bidirectional encoder representation from transformers. It is one of the major that is unsupervised representation for many natural language processing tasks. It can help computer to understand the natural language better than a human, like a human too. Okay, that is the BERT. Then along with that, Samsung developed Bixby. It's a virtual assistant developed by Samsung. Okay, where the user can that is voice related activities. That is where the user can suggest, recommend things. Okay, that is if you are purchasing a new Samsung phone, this Bixby button, you can see the Bixby button. It is a virtual assistant developed by Samsung. Okay, then in 2020, TensorFlow, it is an open source. It is an end-to-end open source library. That is for building. We can easily build and deploy ML powered, that is machine learning ML powered applications. And it is developed by Google Brain, and it is mainly for internal Google use. Okay, and it was the stable release was on 2020. Okay, stable release was on 2020. Okay, that was the major developments in artificial intelligence till 2000 till now. So so if you are if you are a computer science student, you must know what are the major developments taking place in this artificial intelligence field, because this, AI is the future. Okay, AI is the future of future. Okay, then with that I will end this session, and next session will be on what is AI, what are the different stages, types and domains of artificial intelligence, that we will see in the next session. Okay, thank you.